Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about on how to lower your ping in video games by using one simple trick. This method is completely for free, completely fast, and to be honest, when I first discovered it, I honestly didn't really believe it. I thought it's gonna maybe help out a little bit, but after trying it, I went from this to this. Now, having lag in your video game can be to multiple reasons, which can be other people on the internet that are just eating all the speed up, maybe slow internet in general, but if you're like most of us who have an okay-ish or good Wi-Fi with no other leeches on them, and you're still managing to experience lag or weird lag spikes in-game, then you should definitely try this trick to get rid of that.
What you're gonna do is going to be really simple. You'll go down to your network settings, open it up by right-clicking on it and open network and internet settings. Here you're going to go to Wi-Fi. You're going to go to change adapter options. Here you're going to see all of your current Wi-Fi or Ethernet connections. We're going to click on change settings of this connection and click the fourth option that we have. Here you're going to check use the following DNS server addresses and you're going to type 1111, and for the alternative DNS server you're going to do 1001. And there you have it, that's all there is to it. Instead of your computer automatically connecting to any DNS server, it's now going to connect to the 111 DNS server we typed in. And the reason you want to use this DNS server is because it is simply much more effective and faster than the others compared to it.
I truly hope this solution helps out you bros just as much as it helped out me. I still can't believe that such a simple trick can fix ping as much as it did. If any of you bros are going to have troubles with this solution, I highly doubt it, but if you do, remember, all you have to do is just go back and set your network to automatically connect to whichever DNS server it finds. That's all from me. Please leave me a like if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to keep up to date with all the new videos we're going to be releasing.